Hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss a question from class 11th, subject psychology, chapter 8, thinking. So the question is, what are the various barriers to creative thinking? The answer is, barriers to creative thinking can be characterized as habitual, perceptual, motivational, emotional and cultural. The tendency to be overpowered by habits can be detrimental to creative expression as it becomes difficult to think in novel ways. Motivational and emotional barriers show that creativity is more than just a cognitive process. Lack of motivation, fear of failure, fear of rejection, poor self-concept, and negativism may hamper creative thinking. Cultural barriers are related to excessive adherence to tradition, expectation, conformity, pressure, and stereotypes. It arises due to the fear of being different, mediocrity, social pressure, overdependence, personal security, and tendency to maintain the things as it is. Strategies to overcome the barriers of creative thinking. There are certain attitudes, dispositions, and skills which facilitate creative thinking. Here are some strategies to help you enhance your creative thinking abilities and skills. Cultivate the habit of wider spreading, exposure to a variety of information, and develop the art of asking questions, pondering over the mysteries of situations and objects. Try deliberately to look for multiple angles of a task and situation to increase flexibility in your thinking. Optim's brainstorming technique can be used to increase fluency and flexibility of ideas to open-ended situations. This helps in increasing the fluency of ideas and piling up alternatives. Brainstorming can be practiced by playing brainstorming games with family members and friends, keeping its principles in mind. Originality can be developed by practicing fluency, flexibility, and habit of associative thinking, exploring linkages and fusing distant or remote ideas. Intelligence is in activities which require use of imagination and original thinking rather than routine work according to the interests and hobbies. Generate a number of possible ideas or solutions, then select the best form among them. Think of what solutions someone else may offer for the problems. Give your ideas the chance to incubate, allowing time for incubation between production of ideas and the stage of evaluation of ideas may bring in the aha experience. Sometimes ideas cluster like branches of a tree. It is useful to diagram your thinking so that you can follow each possible branch to its completion. Resist the temptation for immediate reward and success and cope with the frustration and failure. Encourage self-evaluation. Develop independent thinking in making judgments. Visualize cause and consequence and think ahead, predicating things that have never happened, like suppose the time starts moving backwards, what would happen if we had no zero, etc. Be self-confident and positive. Thank you for watching the video. For such content, please subscribe to Intellify.